Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I have missed saying this so much. मैंने इतने दिनों से कोई भी long form video नहीं डाली है and I was really missing talking to the camera. I don't know when did I get so fond of talking to the camera, but yeah, anyways, I'm so sorry I couldn't post regularly. My name is Akriti, and on this channel we discuss anything and everything related to girlies, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, reviews, recommendation, life suggestions, life advices. So basically, I want to be the internet's big sister. I just want to give that vibe to the people because आजकल everybody get influenced by the people. हमें दूसरों को देख के लगता है that everybody's life is so put together, everybody's life is so lavish and aesthetic, but in reality मेरी life तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Like, I don't know about others, but my life is not at all like that. My life is messy, my life is fucked up, my life is happy, my life is sad sometimes. So it is like थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर ऊपर नीचे, every ups and downs. So happy new year, and it is a good year. People are saying 2025 एक मनहूस साल था, but I kind of believe it, but I also believe that it has taught us so much. So now, like everybody else, I'm also going into 2026 with a lot of new energies, a lot of manifestations, and a lot of new hopes. So, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I and you can become a better person in 2026. And no, these are not generic, वो आपको बता देते हैं ज्ञान की बातें. It's not like that. Very personal. It is something which I want to implement in my life. And as a big sister, I would also want you to implement these things if you're watching this video in your life, if not already. And if you've already implemented, then bestie, yeah, you are doing good in your life. So let's get into the video. Number one, I have decided that I am going to be saying yes to more things. In general, मैं अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ों को मना कर देती हूँ, थोड़ा सा डाइसी जाती हूँ मैं चीज़ों को सोच के, बट this time I have decided that I am going to be saying yes to more things, yes to more plans, yes to more adventures, yes to more dishes, yes to more opportunities, yes to more friendship, to more of the content. The thing is कि अगर मैं कुछ चीज नहीं ट्राई करूंगी तो वो कुछ चीज नहीं होगी ना. But what if I try and this thing works? Then it will be a good deal for my life. So yes, I'm saying yes to more things. Number two, I'm going to stop comparing my life to anybody and everybody. My journey is my journey. Your journey is your journey. How can I compare my journey, my life experiences with yours? I mean, it is not even fair to do it because मेरे life experiences आपके life experiences से बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होंगे. With the evolution of internet, Instagram, we have started to normalize and compare our lives with people whom we see on internet, whom we see on social media. कि यार इनकी लाइफ कितनी ज़्यादा परफेक्ट है, ये लोग कितना ज़्यादा खुश हैं अपनी लाइफ में, ये लोग कितना ज़्यादा फुलफिल कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ को जी रहे हैं, ट्रिप्स पे जा रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं, घर खरीद रहे हैं, पैसे बना रहे हैं. द थिंग दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि वो अपनी लाइफ का हाईलाइट ही आपको दिखाते हैं. तो rather than comparing yourselves with the people you see on internet or anywhere for that matter, you need to start analyzing and thinking कि if that person can do it, I also can do it. एंड किसी भी रैंडम इंसान की लाइफ जर्नी देख के मैं अपने आप को उससे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकती. पर्सन हैज अचीव्ड और विल अचीव इज नन ऑफ माई बिजनेस. ओनली थिंग दैट आई शुड केयर अबाउट इज हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अचीव दैट थिंग. बाहर से देखने में सब चीजें बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं, बट वेन यू गो डीप इन साइड समथिंग, देन यू गेट टू नो द हार्डशिप्स, the struggle that has been put behind achieving that thing. So it is better that we stop comparing ourselves, start accepting our own journeys. Number three, I am going to be a lot kinder to myself. Sometimes there are situations where we are very harsh on ourselves. We blame ourselves for everything that happens in our life, and we kind of hate ourselves for doing some things or for putting ourselves into some situations. But मैंने ये चीज डिसाइड करी है कि no matter what happens in my life, I am going to be a lot kinder to myself. I am going to treat myself the way I treat others, with kindness, with respect, to not punish myself for doing something wrong. अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हुई है, it's okay. I am meant to do mistakes. अगर मैं गलतियां नहीं करूंगी, then I'm not going to learn anything. So I am going to embrace myself more. I'm going to accept my mistakes more. Number 4, I am going to say sorry, thank you, and I love you more. This is such a small thing, but it makes a huge, huge, huge difference in our lives and the people whose lives are connected with us. A simple sorry can save relationships, can save friendships, can save a lot of things in our life. ठीक है, अगर किसी से लड़ाई हो गई है, यू नो बट दैट पर्सन मैटर्स टू यू, एक सॉरी बोल दो. यू नेवर नो कि आप उनसे लास्ट टाइम कब बात कर रहे हो. इस चीज को ऐसे देखती हूँ, बिकॉज द लाइफ इज सो अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. आई डोंट नो विद whom आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक फॉर द लास्ट टाइम. सो किसी के साथ भी अपना एनिमी वाला रिलेशनशिप मत रखो. सॉरी बोल के बात खत्म करो या माफ करके बात खत्म करो, बिकॉज लाइफ इज लिटरली टू शॉर्ट to think about these things. So it is better that you forgive yourself, forgive others, and say sorry. Please say sorry. Please say thank you. Matlab, I have seen that we do not say thank you often. If a person is doing the smallest gesture, कोई मुझे पानी का ग्लास भी लाके देता है, I say thank you to that person. If it is my mother, if it is my father, if it is my friends, if it is my brother, I say thank you to them because they have done an effort for me. So I will say thank you because they have done something for me. चाहे वो कितनी बड़ी हो, चाहे वो कितनी छोटी हो, I will always say thank you to people who do something for me. Even if it is an auto wale bhaiya who drops me to somewhere, I always say thank you. Thank you goes a long way. I mean, and I don't know, it just gives me joy to say thank you to more and more people. फालतू में नहीं, but for the valid reasons. And please start saying I love you more to your loved ones, whether it is your parents, your siblings, your boyfriend, your friends. Please say I love you more, because just show that you're there for them, just show how much you love them, express your feelings freely, because again, life is literally too short. What if tomorrow is no tomorrow? I don't want to be in that guilt कि यार मैंने बोला क्यों नहीं, यार I could have said more I love yous to my loved ones. So I'm going to be saying more and more and more I love yous to my loved people. Fifth one is I am going to let go जो हो गया, and I'm going to choose peace and positivity. Now it sounds very cliche, but आई हैव रियलाइज कि देखो, अगर जो चीज हो गई है वो तो हो गई ना, उसको तुम बदल थोड़ी सकते हो. देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट इन स्ट्रेसिंग और उसके बारे में सोच सोच के खुद का दिमाग खराब करना, दूसरों का दिमाग खराब करना. इट इज बेटर कि जो चीज हो गई है उसको पास्ट में छोड़ो. पास्ट शुड बी इन द पास्ट एंड नाउ यू मूव ऑन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर तुमसे कोई चीज टूट गई है, ठीक है, ओ माय गॉड टूट गई, ओ माय गॉड टूट गई करने से वो चीज वापस जुड़ थोड़ी जाएगी. तो रादर देन स्पेंडिंग योर टाइम एंड एनर्जी इन थिंकिंग कि वो चीज टूट गई, complaining and crying about it, your focus should shift towards how you can fix it. Your focus should not be in complaining and crying about it. Your focus should be in how you can fix that thing. जो होना था वो हो गया है. Now just think how you can control it, how you can fix it. Which brings me to my next point, is that I am going to be more positive and I'm going to look for more positives in situation. I'm going to learn how to consciously ignore negativity in scenarios, in people, in conversations. कुछ चीज बुरी हुई है मेरे साथ, for example, then I am going to consciously, I will train my mind that I will going to consciously ignore the bad things or the negative things about that situation, and I'm going to focus more on the positive ones. Next one would be I am going to be celebrating my small wins. हम अक्सर क्या करते हैं, जो बड़ी विंस होती है ना, उनके चक्कर में जो छोटी विंस होती है उनको इग्नोर ही कर देते हैं. आई विल सेलिब्रेट व्हेन आई विल हिट 1 lakh subscribers. But what about 50,000 subscribers? Even 5,000 is not a less number. 500 is not less, 50 is not less. So celebrate your wins. चाहे वो कितनी भी छोटी हो, celebrate more. Before celebrating for others, start celebrating for yourself. कुछ भी छोटी चीज accomplish करी है, celebrate it. Treat yourself. भी करो, but celebrate it. And the last one would be I am not going to wait around for special moments to live my life, to do whatever I want. I have a cute dress in my wardrobe which has been lying 4 months और मैं उसको नहीं पहन रही हूँ because I am waiting for a special moment. Why? You are alive and that is the special moment. I don't know कल क्या हो जाए. So why to wait for a special moment to live your life, to wear your favorite clothes, to eat something you want to eat, or to go somewhere you want to go? wear that fucking dress, go to that fucking cafe, go to that fucking destination, और वहां जाकर जो तुम्हें करना है प्लीज वो करो. नॉट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ एंड डू नॉट वेट फॉर द परफेक्ट मोमेंट, बिकॉज वो परफेक्ट मोमेंट एक इमेजिनरी चीज है हमारे दिमाग में जो आई थिंक कभी आए कभी ना आए. सो स्टॉप वेटिंग अराउंड फॉर इट एंड स्टार्ट लिविंग योर लाइफ. सो देखो, the bottom line is that you do not have to change everything about yourself. You just have to change small things about yourself which makes a big difference. Baby steps slow and you'll eventually get there. I will eventually get there, you will also eventually get there. One last thing that I would like to say, please start living your life as if this is your last day. I mean, I know it sounds really cliche, I know it sounds kind of bad, but this is the truth. Life is very unpredictable. So do not wait around, do not hesitate from hugging your parents, from hugging your siblings, or hugging your friends. Nobody has seen tomorrow. So let's make today special. That is the biggest motto that I am taking in 2026. We've come to an end to the video, and I'm really proud of you and me both, because I'm also growing and I want you to grow with me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more elder sister advices from me, please stay connected. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.